Good day, grade 7.
I am your teacher, Marie.
Good day, grade 7. Now we're going to discuss a new topic. Let us enjoy watching while learning.
During the ancient time, people devised tools that could respond to their needs. One of these tools is measurement. The word measure comes from the Latin word mesura and comes from the Greek word mentro. It is the process by which human beings obtain useful information about the different aspects of objects such as length, weight, area, volume, time, and temperatures. When one measure is comparing, it is comparing a unit of measure to the object being measured, or its result in a number and the unit of a measure. The number indicated how many units are there in the object being measured, and the unit of the measure indicate what standard unit is used. Standard unit of the measure are units that are generally accepted and used internationally. What system of unit is being used in the present time? How can we convert one unit to another unit? Let us discuss about conversion of units. The metric system. The metric system is internationally agreed decimal system of measurement, created in France in 1799, and the International System of Unit, or SI, our official system of measurement. It is represently the agreed on system of unit and for a specific work of based upon the metric system. The metric system is based on multiples of tens. The basic unit of measurement length is meter. Its symbols for meter is m. The basic unit for measuring mass is gram, or it is g. The basic unit for measuring capacity of liter, or L. The basic unit for measuring time is seconds, or S. The basic unit for measuring the temperature is Kelvin, or K. Conversion in the metric system can be quickly made by multiplying or dividing the factors by 10. It is simple as moving the decimal point to the right or to the left. The English system. The English system of measurement has evolved in manner in which people use body parts and familiar objects in measuring. Examples of these are the shorter ground distance were measured with a human foot. The longer distance are measured by space. Capacities are measured with household items such as cups, pails, and baskets. In the English system of measures, the most commonly used unit of length are inches, foot, yard, and miles. The commonly used unit of capacity are liquid, ohms, and gallons. The pounds or ohms are unit used for measuring mass. Here is the converting measurement, for this will be the measures for length. So, metric unit of length, we have 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1 hectometer. 1 hectometer is equivalent for 10 decameters. And 1 decameter is equivalent to 10 meters. 1 meter is equivalent to 10 decimeter. And 1 decimeter is equivalent to 10 decimeter. And 1 decimeter is equivalent to 10 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeter. Let us have an example. Let us convert the measure of equivalent metric unit. So number 1, we have 1,840 millimeter. We're going to convert it to meter. And here is the solution for number 1. To convert 1,840 meter to meter, you need to convert it first to decimeter, and to meter. So now, let us convert it. So 1,840 millimeter, we're going to multiply it to find the centimeter. So we're going to 1 centimeter over 10 millimeter. So 1,840 times 1 centimeter is equivalent to 1,840 centimeter. Then we're going to cancel the unit millimeter over 1010 times. To cancel the centimeter, we're going to convert this 1,840 centimeter over 10 to decimeter. So we're going to multiply it to 1 decimeter over 10 centimeter. So to cancel centimeter, cancel. We have 1,840 over 10 times 1 decimeter over 10. It is equal to 1,840 decimeter over 100. Now to cancel the decimeter, we're going to multiply it to 1 meter over 10 decimeter. So 1,840 decimeter, cancel the unit of decimeter. We have 1,840 times 1 meter is equal to 1,840 meter over 1,000. Therefore, 1,840 meter over 1,000. Then it is equal to 1.840 meter. This is an alternate way of converting measurement in being shaped by the position of the decimal point in the measure. So this is because each unit is 10 times larger as the unit on its right. The 10 times smaller as the unit on the left. So there are 3 shifts to the left from millimeter to meter. So to convert 1,840 millimeter to meter, we're going to have 3 step in shifting millimeter to meter. Therefore, from our decimal point, we're going to shift 3 times. Therefore, from the decimal right side of 0, 3 shift 1, 2, 3. Therefore, our answer is 1.840 in the 1,000th place. Or, it is equivalent to 1.84 because in the 1,000th place, we have 0. Therefore, 1.840 in the 1,000th place meter is equal to 1.84 meters. Now, let us answer for the number 2 example. To convert 7 kilometer to meter, you need to convert it first to hectometer, then to decameter, and to meter. So now, let us have 7 kilometer times 10 hectometer over 1 kilometer times 10 decameter over 1 hectometer and times 10 meter over 1 decameter. Now let us multiply 7 kilometer times 10 hectometer over 1 kilometer. Therefore, we can cancel kilometer units and it is 7 times 10 hectometer is equal to 70 hectometer times 10 decameter over 1 hectometer. Now we can cancel the hectometer. The result is 10 times 70 decameter is equal to 700 decameter over 1. Now, we're going to multiply it to 10 meter over 1 decameter to cancel out the unit of decameter and it is equal to meter. So we have 700 times 10 meter is equal to 7,000 meter over 1 or it is equal to 7,000 meter. So if we are going to use the alternative way of converting measure, so kilometer is in the left side of our measures. So kilometer to meter, we have 3 unit shift. So this will be the first 1, 2, 3. Therefore, from the decimal point that we have, so 7, so the right side of 7 is the decimal point, we're going to shift 3 units to the right. So we have to shift 1, 2, 3. Therefore, our answer is 7 kilometer and we're going to convert to meter is 7,000 meter. And number 3 example, so to convert 0.81 kilometer to centimeter, you need to convert it first to hectometer, then to decameter, Then next we have 2 meter, and next we have 2 decimeter and 2 centimeter. So we're going to 0.81 kilometer times 10 hectometer over 1 kilometer times 10 decameter over 1 hectometer times 10 meter over 1 decameter times 10 decimeter over 1 meter times 10 centimeter over 1 decimeter. So we have to cancel kilometer. So 0.81 times 10 hectometer is equal to 8.1 hectometer. Now let us multiply 8.1 hectometer times 10 decameter over 1 hectometer. So 8.1 hectometer times 10 decameter. So we're going to cancel the hectometer unit. So it becomes 81 decameter times 10 meter over 1 decameter to cancel out the unit of decameter. So 81 times 10 is 810 meter. Now to cancel out meter, we multiply 10 decimeter over 1 meter. So 810 meter times 10 decimeter over 1 meter, cancel the unit of meter, so it becomes 810 times 10 is equal to 8,100 decimeter times 10 centimeter over 1 decimeter to cancel out the decimeter unit. So 8,100 decimeter cancel. So it becomes 8,100 times 10 is 81,000 centimeter over 1. Therefore, 81,000 centimeter is our final answer. So if we're going to use the alternative way of converting, so kilometer to centimeter, we have 5 shift to the right. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the decimal point that we have, so our decimal point is in the left side of 8. So 5 shift to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we're going to add 3 zeros, and our answer is 81,000 centimeter. Therefore, 0.81 kilometer to centimeter is equal to 81,000 centimeter. Now let us have the measure of mass. So here is the unit of mass, metric unit of mass. So 1 metric ton or MT is equal to 1,000 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. So convert each measure to the equivalent metric unit. Let us have an example. So 18 gram to convert 8 to kilogram. So to convert 18 gram to kilogram, we're going to multiply 18 gram by 1 kilogram over 1,000 gram. Therefore, we can cancel the gram unit. So 18 times 1 kilogram over 1,000 is equal to 0.18,000. Therefore, our answer is, so our decimal is 0.018 kilogram, or we have 18,000 lays. To convert 43 kilogram to grams, we're going to multiply the 43 kilogram by 1,000 gram over 1 kilogram to cancel out the kilogram. So 43 times 1,000 is equal to 43,000 kilogram, and that will be our answer. Now let us have an example number 4. A pharmacist has 1,450 milligram of a certain powdered substance. In preparing a medicine solution, 2 gram of powdered substance is required. Does the pharmacist have enough material to prepare the said medicine solution? And here is the solution for converting 1,450 milligram to grams. And here is the solution. To compare easily the two quantities, they should have the same unit of measure. So 2 gram, we're going to convert the 2 gram to milligram. So we have 2 gram times 1000 milligram over 1 gram to cancel out the gram. Therefore, we have 2000 milligram. Since the pharmacist has 1450 milligram, then it is enough to prepare the medicine solution because we have solved the 2000 milligram. And here is the measure of capacity, and this will be the table of metric unit of capacity. So 1 kiloliter or KL is equal to 1 liter or L. 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliter. So convert each measure to the equivalent metric unit. Let us have an example. Converting each measure to equivalent metric unit. Number 1, we have 234 liter to milliliter. So we're going to convert the liter to milliliter. So to convert 234 liter to milliliter, we're going to multiply it by 1 liter over 1000 milliliter. So 234 times 1 liter is equal to 234 liter over 1000. Therefore, 234 liter over 1000 is equal to 0.234 liter or 0.234 in the 1000 place liter or 234 liter.
Thank you. Enjoy watching while learning. This is your teacher, Miss Marimar F. Figalan.